Good evening, everybody. I've got 12:10. It is now the 6th of November. I'm sorry I fell asleep. I was exhausted. There was a 5.3 Indonesia at 6 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 southern Iran at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.1 eastern Turkey at 1.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.1 Columbia at 67 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Western Chile Rise at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.7 Iona Sea at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 3.8 Chile Bolivia region at 6.2 miles in depth. There was a 4.7 Indonesia at 15 miles in depth and a 4.6 Zimbabwe, Indonesia at 6.2 miles in depth. Tropical storm Xavier is moving west-northwest at 5, max wind of 50, gusting at 65. They're saying by 5 o'clock in the morning it'll be moving west at 5, max wind of 40, gusting to 50. By tomorrow evening, they're predicting it to be moving west now at 5, max wind of 35, gusting to 45. By the 7th, they're predicting it to be moving west at 5, max of 30, gusting to 40. By the evening of the 7th, they're predicting it to go west at 5, max wind of 25, gusting to 35. They're calling this a post-tropical now, by the way, starting the evening of the 6th. On the 8th, they're saying it's going to be moving west at 5, max at 15, gusting to 25. I apologize. I fell asleep in the chair. I took one of their painkillers for my arm, and I'm not going to do that again. It knocked me out. So I'm not going to do that again. I apologize for not coming on when the 5.3 hit. The funny thing is, the Discovery app said it was a 5.8 when I looked at it. Then they knocked that down to a 5.6. Then USGS knocked it down to a 5.3. And that's where it's standing right now. All right. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, I'm sorry I fell asleep on my job here. Have a good night, what's left of it, and a better tomorrow. You guys are awesome. 2 thumbs up.